Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix lag and drop frames in Streamlabs. So lag can make your stream look choppy, so adjusting a few settings can help make your stream smoother. So first open up Streamlabs and go to settings, click advanced to find process priority, change it from normal to above normal. You still have lag, you can try setting it to high, and next go to video, set the base canvas resolution to match your monitor. Then set the output or scale resolution to 1080p. So change the downscale filter to Lanczos, then set the FPS type to common FPS values. If you are streaming games, set it to 60 FPS, and after that go to output and change the output mode from simple to advanced. So under encoder, choose quick sync, set the target usage to quality, rate control to CBR, and set the bitrate to around 6000 for high quality streams. And once you are done, click done to apply the changes, and that is how you can reduce lag and drop frames in Streamlabs. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.